What happens when you reboot system now?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the functionality of the Reboot System Now option, a commonly seen command especially when dealing with device recovery or system maintenance. Ever wondered exactly what's going on when you choose this option? Let's explore.
What is Reboot System Now?
Reboot System Now is an option found in many electronic devices, especially smartphones, tablets, and computers. It is essentially an instruction to the device to restart its operating system. This is similar to when you manually turn off a device and then turn it back on. It's a fresh start for the system, and in many cases, it can solve minor glitches and operational hiccups.
Why would someone use this option?
There are multiple reasons. 1. System updates. After installing a software or firmware update, devices often need to restart to apply the changes. 2. Troubleshooting. If a device is not functioning as expected, a common first step in troubleshooting is to restart it. 3. Software installation, uninstallation. Some software may require a restart for complete installation or removal. 4. Optimization. Over time, devices accumulate temporary files and processes. A reboot can help in clearing those out, making the system run smoother.
What physically happens during a reboot?
When you select Reboot System Now, a series of operations kick into gear. 1. Termination. The device terminates all active processes and applications to ensure that they don't interfere with the reboot. 2. System checks. Before restarting, the system runs a series of checks to ensure the integrity of the software and hardware. 3. Startup sequence. Once everything is in order, the device's startup sequence initiates. This includes the BIOS or bootloader running checks and initiating the operating system's launch. 4. Loading. The operating system loads all necessary drivers, settings, and configurations. 5. Completion. You'll generally see a welcome screen, indicating that the reboot is complete and the device is ready for use again. Selecting the Reboot System Now option is like giving your device a fresh start. It can be essential for updates, troubleshooting, and general optimization. We hope this breakdown has been helpful in understanding what exactly happens behind the scenes when you reboot. Remember, when in doubt, sometimes all your device needs is a good old restart. Cheers!